Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. World's largest green hydrogen power project. ABB develops world's fastest electric vehicle charger. Sterling and Wilson Solar Limited wins order for waste to energy project in Europe. Coming to the details. CEOG Renew Stable located in French Guiana is an innovative multi-megawatt power plant designed to produce reliable and clean electricity. CEOG will deliver a set production of electricity called baseload of 10 megawatt from 8 am to 8 pm and 3 megawatt from 8 pm to 8 am the next day, free of greenhouse gas emissions. This electricity will be provided through the combination of a PV plant, mass and long-term energy storage in the form of hydrogen, and short-term storage with batteries. A total investment of $200 million infused by HDF Energy Infrastructure Fund Meridium and the petroleum operator Sara of Rubis Group. CEOG is the world's first multi-megawatt hydrogen power plant and the largest green hydrogen storage of intermittent electricity sources of 128 megawatt hour. CEOG signed 25 years of power purchase agreement with French utility EDF. CEOG will provide cheaper and firm power all year long, day and night to 10,000 homes in Western Guyana. Energy procurement and construction contracted awarded to Siemens Energy. Hydrogen technologies supply competitively procured awarded to MECFI for electrolyzers and HDF for multi-megawatt hydrogen fuel cells. CEOG is currently being duplicated in about 20 countries such as Mexico, Caribbean island nations, South Africa, Indonesia and Australia. ABB offers electric vehicle infrastructure, charging and electrification solutions for electric vehicles besides commercial vehicles like trucks, ships and railways. ABB has launched its new member of Terra family of chargers which promises to be world's fastest electric vehicle charging unit. ABB issued a statement saying that the new charger has a maximum output of 360 kilowatt. The new Terra 360 is a modular charger capable of providing charging outlet for up to 4 vehicles at a time with a dynamic power distribution. The new charger is capable of charging any electric car within 15 minutes or even less. New Terra 360 charger's innovative lighting system guides the user through the charging process and shows the state of charge of electric vehicle battery and the time left to get the electric vehicle fully charged. ABB will make the new Terra 360 available in Europe by the end of this year and later to other countries like United States, Latin America and Asia Pacific regions by the next year. ABB to lead as an example by switching their entire fleet of more than 10,000 vehicles to non-emitting vehicles. Sterling and Wilson Solar Limited, one of world's leading solar EPC and operation and maintenance solutions provider, received the first order worth 1500 crore rupees for its waste to energy business from leading developer of energy assets in UK and Europe. Project will generate around 19.6 megawatt of energy, enough to power 30,000 homes and also provide heat that can be used by nearby businesses. The facility will process 23.2 million tons of non-recyclable solid municipal waste per hour, diverting over 185,600 tons of waste each year. Scope of work for this project includes design, engineering, procurement, construction, commissioning and testing of facility, boiler, 19 megawatt steam turbine generator and condenser, pollution control equipment, water treatment plant and associated balance of plant and subsequent operation and maintenance. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 230.95 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night, 9 rupees 6 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day, 5 rupees 83 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening, 15 rupees 1 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock, 9 rupees 26 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 9 rupees 37 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.